spam eggs. No spam.
No spam. We're making green eggs.
Green eggs.
And ham.
And ham.
Chilaquiles.
And chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles. Good
So,
job.
we're going to start making.
So what do we need, Bella? You said we need
Eggs.
eggs,
Tortilla.
tortillas,
And
jamon,
Jamon.
jamon. And then we also need food dye.
Food dye.
Yeah. So first, Bella's going to start cutting up the tortillas for the chilaquiles.
And I am going to start.
You're going to start with your eggs.
So,
Do we need food dye first? We need salt and pepper first.
salt and pepper first. I'm going to put pepper first. Drop in the beam.
Okay, that's enough.
Drop in the beam. Drop in the beam. It's enough. So now, I'm going to start making, right?
Mix it, yeah. Bella finished cutting up her tortillas, and Julie finished mixing the eggs, and I finished cutting up the ham. We just have to cook the ham and put your tortillas into the oil to fry them, huh? Yeah. And then now Julie's gonna put a little bit of food dye in the eggs. 1 drop each.
I can't wait. It's coming.
It's coming. Squeeze it a little bit. That's it. Now Julie put, or Bella put 1. Right there, that's it. Now close it.
Now I'm going to no.
Yeah, let her mix it first.
I want to mix it.
Can you let her mix it? Because you just mixed the eggs.
No, I mix it. I mix it. Mix it. Not good. It's green. That food dye is good. Mix it too. Let's mix it together. Oh my god! It's going to get more green on. Oh my god, that's so funny. Now your turn. Can we spin it together?
Let sister do it by herself.
Me? It's going green.
Mix it really good so all the yellow's gone and it just turns green.
Now one step to do.
Yeah.
The green.
All green? Okay, now we have to cook it. Ready?
Yeah. I'm cooking. Sorry. Let me spam.
So we just fry the tortillas until they're really good and fried up. And the ham, we just cook it a little bit so the girls can have cooked ham on top. Once they begin to look like this, then we'll just add the egg.
Add the eggs again?
Yeah. We haven't added the eggs yet, so the green egg. And we just mix them until they're done. The egg looks pretty cooked, so it should be ready to serve. Good job. It's all done.
Yeah, so it looks so good. It's green.
You got your chilaquiles and ham.
Yeah.
And your bacon.
Yeah, it's
and
so good.
the bacon
It
and
smells
beans.
so good. Yeah.
And then you got your fruta.
Yeah, bean.
Yeah, frijoles.
Is it
Yummy.
good?
Yeah.
Like it. I love bacon so much.
Okay, try it. Try your chilaquiles.
I try my crunchy. Yeah, down crunchy. I like it.
It's good?
How about this one?
Is it sabroso?
I like crunchy brown. I like crunchy brown too. Can you try the egg and the egg not crunchy?
¿Sabroso o no?
Yes, they're both so. I love it.
Do you think you did a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.